Hi everyone, so if you're coming across this video before the 8th of August, you are going to be lucky and you can start manifesting what you want. So if you look at the date, the 8th of August 2024, if you add 2024, that even comes to a number 8. So it is 3 8s together, okay? The 8th of August and the last digit adds to 8 again. So this series of 8, 8 and 8 is a lucky auspicious series. So if you look at the number 8, the number 8 represents abundance and it represents infinity if you move it sidewards as well. So it's your portal to manifest abundance to infinity. This number is not going to appear again right till 2033. So now is your time to start this, and I would be doing manifestation techniques and I would be doing a lot of remedies. You will probably see a lot of videos as of now, people posting, the Lion's Gate portal and you can start manifesting. But it is always better to do guided meditations and to do guided manifestations.